Hi guys, it is Shark9982 here. We're gonna find all the 5 ingredients in the Wacky Wizards. We already found the maize ingredient. So we're gonna find bomb, chamileon, parrot, and that frog. Okay, so let's start. First, we will get that chili thing. For that, we need to get that one potion. That is Robux plus parrot. If you don't have that, first get that ingredients and then make this. Then you can get that chili thing. So we are here. So let me tell you where the chili ingredient is. It's near here. So let's go down. Oh wow, we just went in the sand. So this is a parkour, but we are in a potion, so we don't need to do this parkour. So let's go and take that and teleport to a cooldown. I already have that chili, so we'll get that. Now we need is now we need a dynamite. So dynamite is also near the sand area. Let's go. As you can see, here's a train track. Here you can find that dynamite. Got it? So let's teleport to cooldown for easy. I already have dynamite, so just do this. So our next ingredient is a chamileon. That's very easy to find. You guys have already found that, but I'll just find that. Here's that. I'm finding a chamileon. I think that's near here. Something near here. I think here. It's sitting in a branch. Yeah, I found it. We got chamileon. And now we need to find is a spider. So let's go to find the spider. Here you can see there's a spider web here. So we will go in there. For that you need the Robux thing only. So let's go here. Kind of, it's dark, I can see. Where am I? Yeah, got it. So here you can see here is a mini spider web. You need to go inside it. Once you are small, you can only go inside that. I can't see the spider. Where's that the ingredient? Oh, I see. Here's the spider. So we got the spider. Look, we got the spider. Next thing is we need, I guess, let's take the pet tag. Let's take the pet tags. The pet tags are found here. It's a questiony thing. Here they ask questions for you. You have to go inside it. The first answer is 23 and 24. Okay. The second answer is Foxy and Yandel. When was Roblox was created? In 2004. So the answer is 2004. How many eyes does Mr. Rich have? The answer is 1. How did Glinda the witch reached the Okas. She crash landed. The answer is that. What is the first live event on Wacky Wizards? Mr. Rich. Oh, we found that pet tag. So let's put it in a cauldron and drain that. Our next potion is to find the parrot. So the parrot is very simple. You just have to climb up, some a bit down, and here you see the bird. So let's go to a cauldron and place it. So the next thing is we need I think we should get that fish. Okay, let's get the fish. That's our last ingredient. So fish is somewhere here. Okay, you need to go down. Now here you see that we have to go here a bit of, and here's a mini block area. So let's go inside this. Oh my gosh, we found a fish. So let's go to the cauldron and place it. So thank you guys for today. Hope you enjoyed it. So bye bye for now.